Nako, batay tayo dyan. Just so you know, dalawa lang po ang prepared namin. Gusto niyo pa ba?
Gusto niyo pa ba?
You guys are gonna get us tired, huh?
Pero, we just have one request. One request. Pag mag-iisa pa kami, pwede bang sumayaw ang lahat?
Yeah.
Pero, but, no pushing. Wala pang magtutulakan. We want everyone to enjoy the moment, especially people on the second floor, third, fourth, fifth. Wala pang magtutulakan, okay? 18, is that
Yes.
okay?
Everyone's okay to dance and enjoy as long as no one gets hurt, okay? Safety first, okay? Pero we want your energy to go up, okay? Okay, let's try. Do you want more? Mahina pa, yung pinakamalakas. Gusto niyo pa ba ng isa?
Pero, bago tayo umisa, syempre, we want to thank all the people who's here today. And, syempre, of course, thank you, Honor of Kings, and good luck to Homeboys and Nova sa championship.
Yes,
maraming
congratulations.
salamat po for having us here. HOK family, thank you so much. We are very happy to spend the day with 18. Masaya ba kayo nakasama kami? Parang di kayo masaya. Masaya ba? Yung pala eh.
And
Lahat ba ng tao dito nag-HOK na? Sigurado kayo?
1v1 daw kayo ni Pao.
1v1, oh.
Okay.
Hindi, sige. Kasi madalas nag-stream kami tapos naglalaro kami online. Kung sino yung magkataon makalaro sana namin, laro tayo ng HOK. Parang di naman naglalaro yung mga tao dito.
Hindi.
O
Hindi ka nila
natatakot
ata
na?
naririnig.
Marami naglalaro dyan. Nakakalaro ko yung mga yan. Dinudurog ko lahat yan eh. Hindi, pero no joke. I'm really thankful. It's a great opportunity for us kasi personally, I'm a gamer. So it's one of my dreams to sing for this event. And syempre, nare-represent natin ang Filipino talent, di ba? But, di na natin patatagalin ba? Do you want more? Lahat kakanta! Lahat sisigaw! You're not just gonna stare there and do nothing and put your phones up. You all are gonna enjoy, okay? Let's do it one more time!
Right, let's get it.
Let's go!